Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a full, in-depth review of the all-new 2025 Toyota Tacoma Premier Edition. If you're a fan of midsize pickup trucks, this one is definitely worth your attention. Toyota has taken things up a notch with bold design changes, improved performance, and cutting-edge tech that sets a new standard for this category. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Tacoma gets a complete exterior redesign that looks tougher and more refined. From the aggressive front grille to the sharp LED headlights, the truck makes a powerful first impression. The sculpted body line, flared wheel arches, and new alloy wheels give it a sporty stance. Around the back, the redesigned taillights and embossed Tacoma logo add a premium touch that wasn't as pronounced in previous generations. Now, stepping inside, you immediately notice the upgrade. The cabin feels more high-end, with soft-touch materials, detailed stitching, and modern tech features everywhere you look. The center of attention is a 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Paired with a premium JBL audio system, the entertainment setup is top-notch. You also get a fully digital instrument cluster that displays everything from navigation to vehicle diagnostics in crisp detail. The steering wheel is leather-wrapped, multifunctional, and intuitive to use. Front seats are both heated and ventilated, and there's ample legroom in the rear for passengers to ride comfortably, even on long journeys. Storage space throughout the cabin is practical, and the rear seats can fold up to give you extra cargo flexibility. Under the hood, Toyota offers a powerful 2.4-liter turbocharged hybrid engine in the Premier Edition, pushing out around 326 horsepower and a whopping 465 pound-feet of torque. That's not just good, it's best in class. It also means better towing capacity and solid acceleration, even with a full load. If you're into off-roading, don't worry. The TRD trims of the Tacoma come equipped with all the gear you need, like Fox shocks, skid plates, and a multi-terrain select system that adjusts performance based on the environment. Whether you're climbing rocks or cutting through snow, this truck can handle it. Safety is another area where Toyota doesn't hold back. The 2025 Tacoma includes the latest Toyota Safety Sense suite, offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, blind spot monitoring, and pre-collision braking with pedestrian detection. There's even a 360-degree camera system and trailer backup assist, making towing and parking safer and easier. In terms of tech, the Tacoma Premier offers wireless phone charging, multiple USB-C ports, and over-the-air software updates. That means your truck stays updated with the latest features without needing a dealership visit. Fuel economy is also impressive for a midsize pickup. Thanks to the hybrid powertrain, you're looking at an estimated 23 to 25 mpg in the city and up to 28 to 30 mpg on the highway. That's a major win for anyone using their truck for daily driving as well as work or adventure. Now let's talk price. The 2025 Toyota Tacoma Premier Edition is expected to start around $48,000, but depending on your selected trims and options, it could go up to $55,000. For everything you're getting, from power and technology to safety and design, it's a solid investment for those looking for a reliable, high-performing truck. In summary, the all-new Tacoma Premier blends the rugged spirit of a traditional pickup with modern luxury, advanced safety, and smart technology. Whether you're hauling gear, heading into the mountains, or just cruising the city, it's built to handle it all, with style. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. Your support helps us keep bringing you the latest updates in the auto world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Drive safe.